In this lecture, we'll take a look at how we can install a package in Flutter application. For that, first of all, we'll go to a website where we can find those packages. And the website is pub.lang.org. And here you can see we will be implementing auto-size text. What exactly it does is, as you can see from the demonstration itself, that it will auto-resize the font size. Now, in order to install this, we'll be going to the installing tab, and there you'll see that this is the dependency that we need to have. Now, where exactly we'll need this line is the file called pubspec.yaml. So in our Visual Studio Code, I'll be going to pubspec.yaml file, and here just below this line I can go ahead and paste this auto size text, save it, and the next thing that this will do is it will automatically go and fetch that particular extension. You can also click on this Get Packages button to do the same. Now, once the package is installed, you'll be notified about it by exit code 0, which means it has been successfully installed. And now, in the next lecture, we'll take a look at how we can implement this in our code.